Hi friends, in this video, we will learn to create and use a nested list. A list of lists is known as a nested list. To understand it better, let us create a nested list L containing three items. The first item is a list containing items string A, int 10 and float -1.0. The second item is a list containing items string B in 20 and float -2.0. And the third item is a list containing items string C int 30 and float -3.0. To access the item at jth index of the list at ith index in the list L, we can use the syntax L of ij. For example, to display the third item of second list, we can print L of 1, 2. The output obtained is -2.0. Similarly, to display second item of first list, we can print L of 0, 1. The output obtained is 10. If we want to display the first item of the third list, we can print L of 2, 0 and the output obtained is string C. Nested lists are quite useful in representing a dataset where each item is a list containing the attributes of a record.